illumination distance relationship E2 divided by E1 equal to D1 squared divided by D2 squared. Transformation loss equal to no load loss plus LF into kVA divided by kVA whole squared. Active kVA divided by rating kVA. Apparent power when DG consumption, specific fuel consumption is available. First step is active power equal to DG consumption divided by specific fuel consumption. Second step, apparent power equal to active power divided by PF, because PF equal to active power divided by apparent power. Next formula is total harmonic distortion. THD equal to root of sum of harmonic currents squared divided by fundamental current squared. Next formula, hydraulic power. 5 mark question. Hydraulic power kilowatt equal to flow into total head into density into 9.81 divided by 1000. Flow it is in meter cube per second. Total head meter, density 1000 into 9.81 the whole divided by 1000. Next step is efficiency equal to output distribution power divided by input generation. Next formula, the relationship between diameter and head. It is D2 divided by D1 whole squared equal to H2 divided by H1. Next formula, pump flow versus impeller size. Indirect method. The first step is Q2 divided by Q1 equal to D2 divided by D1. Then percentage reduction equal to D1 minus D2 divided by D1 into 100. Direct method is Q1 divided by Q2 equal to D1 by D2 whole cube. Next formula, slip formula for motor. Slip equal to Ns minus Nr divided by Ns, because Ns here, Ns equal to 120F by 4. And transformation loss equal to no load loss plus, again transformation loss equal to no load loss plus fraction loss squared plus full load loss. Again LT total loss equal to no load loss plus fraction loss squared plus full load loss. COP equal to refrigerant effect divided by work input. Here 1 ton of refrigeration equal to 3.517 kilowatt per ton. Next formula, cooling tower COP equal to cooling effect divided by work done. L by G ratio equal to H2 minus H1 divided by T1 minus T2. Blowdown loss equal to evaporation loss divided by COC minus 1. Range equal to cooling water flow divided by total heat load. Cooling tower range formula, range equal to cooling water flow divided by total heat load. Next formula for AC, TR equal to H input minus H outlet into volume divided by specific volume into 3024. Again TR equal to H input minus H outlet into volume divided by specific volume into 3024. Density of air equal to P by RT. Molecular density of air D equal to P by RT. T is in Kelvin degree Celsius. Next formula, lighting power density LPD equal to lighting power divided by total area. Ventilation rate formula, ventilation rate equal to light into height into width into ACH, that means air change hours. Air changes hours. Again, ventilation rate equal to length into height into width into ACH. Next formula, refrigerant tons equal to Q into rho into H2 minus H1. Refrigerant ton equal to Q into rho into H2 minus H1. TR formula, TR equal to TR equal Q into delta T divided by 3024. 1 TR equal to 1 kilocalorie per hour divided by 3024. Next formula, percentage reduction in distress loss equal to 1 minus PF1 divided by PF2 whole square into 100. Again, percentage reduction in distribution loss equal to 1 minus PF divided by PF2 divided by whole square into 100. 1 minus PF by PF2 whole square into 100. Efficiency equal to isothermal power divided by actual power. Percentage loading equal to calculated total loss divided by total transformer loss. Air handling unit TR equal to enthalpy different into density into area into velocity into 3600 divided by 4.187 into 3024. Next, compressor flow formulas. Power equal to loading pressure into loading time plus unloading pressure into unloading time. Power equal to loading pressure into loading time plus unloading pressure plus unloading pressure into unloading time. Next question, fan power reducing formula and looking for quantity. Leaking quantity formula. QL equal to flow rate divided by duty cycle. Leaking quantity equal to flow rate divided by duty cycle. Duty cycle formula is loading time divided by loading duty. Next formula is FAD equal to P2 minus P1 divided by PA. P2 minus P1 divided by PA into V by T into temperature correction factor. Temperature correction factor equal to T1 by T2 in Kelvin degrees Celsius. Next question for fans. Next question formulas. Velocity V is equal to Q by A. Q equal to Q flow at 37 Hz equal to Q into 37 by 50. Then area it is in meter square. So in 30 Hz power reduction is P equal to 37 by 50 whole cube. 37 by 50 whole cube into 3. Fan static efficiency formula is volume meter cube per second into delta P divided by 102 into power input to shaft. Again, fan static efficiency formula is equal to volume into delta P divided by 102 into power input to shaft. Fan power reducing formula is P nu divided by P volt equal to D nu divided by DO whole cube. P nu by P volt equal to D nu by D volt whole cube. Next formula, pitative velocity. This 5 more question. First step is pitative velocity V equal to specific volume int root of 2 into 9.81 into delta P divided by rho. Again iterative formula, V equal to specific volume into root of 2 into 9.81 into delta P divided by rho. Next step is A equal to 5d square divided by 4. So volume equal to velocity into area. Therefore last step, efficiency static equal to V into pressure static total static pressure divided by 102 into power input. Same static formula, that means efficiency equal to V in volume into total pressure static pressure divided by 102 into power input. Static efficiency equal to V into total static pressure divided by 102 into power input. Gas efficiency formula, gas efficiency equal to electrical energy output divided by heat energy input into 100. Here 1 kilocalorie equal to 1.163 kilowatt. 1 kilocalorie equal to 1.163 watt hour. DG set power P equal to V into I into PF into root 3 divided by 1000. DG set power P equal to VI PF into root 3 divided by 1000. Fuel consumption equal to specific fuel into energy consumption into power. Power plant efficiency equal to 3600 divided by heat rate. In building formulas, EA equal to WWR divided by VLT. Power factor equal to actual power divided by apparent power. Here apparent power equal to apparent power equal to active power squared plus reactive power squared. Root of active power squared plus reactive power squared equal to apparent power. DG head input equal to megawatt into efficiency. DG set heat input equal to megawatt into efficiency. COP equal to TR divided by heat input divided by 3024. COP equal to TR divided by heat input divided by 3024. Next 5 more question. First step loss friction, iron loss plus friction loss plus windage loss. PI plus FW equal to no load loss minus P no load minus P static. Here P static equal to 3 into I by root 3 whole squared into resistance. Resistance equal to resistance into T divided by T in certain temperature. No load PF equal to power divided by 1.732 into V into I. No load PF equal to power divided by 1.7321 VI.